Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today we have this delicious spicy creamy seafood dish that can be served with anything. So to a pan we're going to go in with some butter, then I'm also going to add 2 chopped shallots and also about 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Also going to go in with some thyme. Now this thyme was in the freezer, so I don't really use dried thyme as such, but if you have dried thyme you can go ahead, or fresh thyme. Also I'm going to add about a teaspoon of my gochujang paste. You want to give this a good mix, get this all mixed out. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about half a cup of water. Once I've added the water, I'm going to give this a mix, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a fish stock cube. If you have fish stock, you can use the fish stock instead of the water and the fish cube. But yeah, I went in with the fish cube, and then I went in with about a quarter cup of double cream. Gonna let this just simmer away for a little bit. Then I'm gonna start adding my seafood. I have a lobster tail, I have some shrimps, and also some mussels that I removed from the shell. Once you've added your seafood, you just want to go ahead and just kind of mix it so it all just incorporates and everything is embedded into the sauce. I'm going to cover this and leave this for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to give it another mix. Then after this time, I'm going to cover it for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Then your seafood should be ready. Do taste as you go. If you need to add anything, you can go ahead and add. If it needs a little bit more salt, or what you can do as well, you can also add some dried chilies to this if you do want that heat. After about 4 to 5 minutes, then your seafood should be ready. If it's not ready, then just leave it to simmer for another couple of minutes, but do make sure you check it after about a minute, because you do not want your seafood to be overcooked, because it will get tough. Now when it's nearly done, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more butter just to make that sauce just nice and velvety, and also some finely chopped parsley for a little bit of garnish and a little bit of herb flavor. Now after this time, your spicy creamy seafood should be ready. You can serve this up however you want it to. I just had this good Jamaican style with a little bit of bami, because yeah, that just went down well. But you can serve this over mashed potatoes. You can add some toasted sourdough, or even like a rice would do, or you can just get a fork and eat it just like this. It was just absolutely delicious, a quick and simple meal that that agreed with everyone in my household. If you want a much thinner sauce, you can remove your seafood and just crank your heat up to reduce that sauce a little bit. But this was just absolutely perfect for me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it does help my videos. Share if possible, and also leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.